Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jared. You're rocking with the Retro Insider YouTube channel. Shout out to all you new and returning visitors. Thank you for checking out the content. Be sure to stay to the end for the on foot of this video. And if you are new, consider subscribing. I think you'll like what we have on the channel as far as unboxings and reviews of retro sneakers. Now, as you can see, made in the US, New Balance, one of my favorite silhouettes. Yeah, so let's get right into it, showing you guys what this shoe is about. So what we have here is the M998ENE. So once again, my favorite silhouette from New Balance in a size 12, which is what I like to get in the 998. So this shoe came out late February, early March. And yeah, I was fortunate enough to get this shoe because it had sold out, restocked, sold out, restocked again, and now there's only a few sizes available. So it retailed for $159.99 or $160, which is $20 below the normal retail price of 998s, which is $180. So I'm not sure exactly why that is, but I was happy for it and happy to get this shoe. So just giving you a quick look around real quick. Very nice spring shoe, perfect for this time of the year. And yeah, very, very dope shoe, if I do say so myself. I had it for a couple weeks, just been lazy, haven't been able to do a video, but I said, you know what, I gotta give these people a look, because I haven't seen any, and I definitely wanted to give you guys a close-up of what this shoe is all about. So just focusing on the materials for a second, which is the standout part of this shoe in my opinion. Coming around this toe box, we have the suede that we normally see on a lot of New Balances, and especially on the 998, but this is undyed suede. So based on the description that was listed on New Balance website, yeah, this is undyed. So I guess this is, the way it naturally looks. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's more like a mint green, a very pale mint green. The video is probably not going to render it properly. It probably looks more on the blue end based on what I'm seeing, but it's very light pale green. And then on the toe box, which is something new for the 998, and I think I've never seen a 998 with this, but it has a canvas toe box, and this is like a very light beige in keeping with that kind of spring feel. And at the base of the laces, we had a 3M hit here that wraps around, and it's kind of like a white, but it's off white, because as you can see, the laces are super white. It's kind of like a pale light. Now, as far as the most outstanding aspect of the materials on the shoe, has to be this mid-foot area. This is some of the best leather I have personally witnessed on a New Balance shoe of any model, and very, very soft. I hadn't even worn this shoe, but it looks like it's been on this shoe for 10 plus years. That's how soft it is. And when you open the box, you instantly smell the leather. Not no synthetic type ish that other shoes from other brands might have. This is genuine leather. I guarantee it, because the smell is undeniable. Now, as far as the New Balance N logo, it's done also in that undyed suede, but behind it we have another 3M hit in that white / off-white. And moving back to the heel, of course, we have this canvas on the ankle collar area, that classic plastic piece there. Almost looks like a mixer, you know, old school music mixer. But anyways, yeah, that's in a pink mint. I almost said pink, mint green as well, a little bit lighter or a little bit darker mint than the suede. And then the back's heel portion is, of course, that suede. We got 3M in this white area and some more tan leather. And as you can see, if I can give you a close-up and let it focus, that is just some quality leather, and it seems so real, not like the other mess from other brands. Now, the New Balance N logo, I must admit, is a little lopsided. Not a deal breaker, but it is there. And yeah, so moving up to the tongue, the base of the tongue, canvas, top of the tongue, some more of that leather, man, and it's equally as soft as the metal on this side panel here. So yeah, it comes together to make a great shoe. And like I said, retails for $159. Sold out, restocked, sold out. People must have been checking for this shoe. So hopefully you were able to cop if you've seen it. But yeah, smaller sizes there, so your girl, she might be able to get a pair. And if you are a girl, shout out to you. Thank you for watching the video. Go ahead and check to see if they have your size. Of course, it's in men's sizing. You do the conversion for your foot, women's foot size. But yeah. And another thing, before we get into the sizing, I noticed that this panel right here is reinforced. Now, this is something new they got to be doing, because usually it's soft right here and you can kind of press it down, but I'm putting a little force on it and it's staying put. And so they've added a little panel in here, some kind of material to keep this reinforced. Now, I don't mind that, but as long as it keeps the shape, I'm good. Now, the shape on this one seems a little different. Maybe it's just my eye playing tricks on me, but it seems like this is a little bit less sloped than what I'm used to seeing. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that, because I felt like that was different. I've never seen a New Balance 998 with like a hard toe box, no, just never seen it. But anyways, yeah, that's the shoe right there, guys. Inside outsole right there. Now, as far as size, and I used to go down a half size in my 998s, like back in like 2013, 14, 15, but as of late I've been going true to size with this 12. So 995s I still go down a half size, but 998s I love going true to size, and I can wear it loose, I can tie them up, whatever the case may be, I can do it. So if you haven't tried a 998 and don't know what size you are, what you can do is order online. Maybe not this particular shoe if they don't have your size, but they do have some of the OG gray colorway. Order 2 sizes, one size that you normally wear and maybe a size down or something, and then try it out. NewBalance.com does have free returns, so you can just keep the one you like and return the one that didn't work. And yeah, I'll put a link to NewBalance.com in the description, and also a link where you can get this specific shoe, ladies or gents who have small feet. But yeah, now as far as the rest of this video, I'm gonna do it on foot for you guys, simply because it's only right that I do that. And thank you so much for checking out the video, the official post for this website where I give you some of my initial impressions. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. But I appreciate all of you for checking out the video. Once again, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this M998ENE in the comments below. But until next time, y'all take care, stay humble and proceed.